All right, so we got Nika here. Just adopted her a couple weeks ago. She's staring at the neighbors already. She's a good girl. I have no idea what she is. Maybe Anatolian Shepherd, maybe English Mastiff mix, maybe some German Shepherd in there. So what are we doing? We are gonna fix this Jeep up. Well, maybe, or I'll probably just end up breaking it more than it already is. It's in pretty good shape. It's got like 200,000 miles on it. The undercarriage looks great. Inside looks great. Engine runs strong. Transmission's great. The frame has basically zero rust, but a lot of the components are pretty rusty. I really don't know anything about fixing up cars, but these are pretty easy to work on. I had a 99 Jeep Wrangler in high school and did some basic bitch maintenance on it. So eventually we're gonna be putting a lift on this thing and all sorts of crazy stuff. And she's gonna be helping out. And once this thing's fixed up, we're gonna take it out in the wilderness and we're gonna show you some Utah, Arizona area sweet locations. But we got something else first. This is my 2018 Toyota Tundra and I love it. Bought it brand new, zero issues with it. And our homies at SPD Performance sent me an exhaust. Oh. Do I know how to change an exhaust on a truck? No. Have I ever done it? No. That's why I have nothing planned for this truck. I don't need to go anywhere for the next 24 to 36 hours. Oh man, that's intimidating. Oh hell yeah. This is gonna be sick. This is gonna be amazing. That's it? 3 pieces? I'm sure I can find a way to mess up 3 pieces. But let's do a sound check first to see what this bad boy sounds like before. And assuming I don't mess anything up too much, we'll compare it after. Sounds pretty weak if you ask me. All right, so I'm double checking that there's no instructions. Because like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. They said it would be easy. And it's all bolt on, and I trust them. But again, I have no idea what I'm doing. Luckily, this thing's got an 8-inch lift on 38s. So I don't have to worry about jack stands or anything. Man, there's a lot of shit underneath here. Oh man. Oh. Okay. Where does this shit start? What do I take off? Does it start there? Shit, man. I don't know. Okay, here we go. She's still on a lead because I don't trust her totally off leash yet. Her recall is getting a lot better, but still not there yet. All right, going back under. Oh, they sent me a short piece. SPD sent me a short piece and a squiggly piece. That's definitely probably the technical term. This comes out. Maybe it starts here? I think it, wait, hold on. Oh, fuck. What the fuck? I'm confused. I need to get the, alright, so, if you can see that, we got the two coming together in the muffler. These are going totally different ways. They didn't give me a piece for that for sure, so I'm guessing this is where we're gonna start. Maybe it'd be better if I got the things and laid them all out. I'm gonna do that. All right, thank you for putting pictures on your website for idiots like me. So this guy Okay, got it. This guy right here, a short little dude, is gonna start right here. And the other squiggly dude is gonna start right there. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, okay. Sweet. So, this is gonna come off from here. This is gonna come off from here, and it should just bolt on. I don't know what's up with that. We'll figure that out when we get there, I guess. And then there's this holding that up. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Let's go.
What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? How you doing? How you doing, girl?
Oh.
Сколько от тебя пыли? Возьми вот это вот. Надо почесаться, да? Надо почесаться сегодня. Ой.
Fuck.
Это нормальный звук?
No.
Так, я уже пошла лучше отсюда, иначе...
No.
А?
All right, so 5 minutes in to my first car project, and I'm already heading to the auto parts store and Ace Hardware. This is not looking good for the Jeep because I got some big plans for the Jeep. What do I want to do? I want to put a 6-inch lift on it. I want to put 35s, new brakes. That means I'm going to need a new drive shaft, and there's another thing, I don't remember what it's called, that goes from the transmission to the drive shaft. Slip something, whatever. So yeah, here we go. What's up? I need more help than you guys could possibly imagine. Alright, I got 2 giant bags of stuff. If any of it is correct, I seriously doubt it. But I got this stuff. Who knows if it's correct? Still in the parking lot. I got one more stop at everyone's favorite tool shop, Harbor Freight. But I want to do this right now. In hopes that by the time I get back home, it at least does something. And maybe there will be a slight chance, albeit small, that I don't snap another bolt. Let's go. All right, everyone's favorite store, Harbor Freight. See what kind of damage we can do in here. So it's always tough. Do you get something, well, I'm at Harbor Freight, nothing here is nice, but do you get something nice because you're definitely gonna use it again? Or do you just get the cheapest thing you can find because you know you're gonna use it maybe once every 6 years? All right, what the hell is the difference between a cutoff wheel and a grinding wheel? God damn it, I wish I knew more things. That's $249? Why is that $249? That's too thick. This has 10 of them. They're like all the same. Oh, all right. I think the most logical thing to do is to try to drill it out first. Shit, dude, I don't know. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep blasting these bitches. Whatever this shit's called. Oh, man, this lift is making life really easy. Alright, it's doing something. I want to get some WD-40 to keep spraying this down while I'm doing it. Okay, I have news. I've given up on this one for right now. Going for this guy. Sprayed a shit ton of PB on it. And I learned I just I don't even know if I can say I broke it loose. It moved by like, I don't know, a couple millimeters here, so like a 100th of a rotation. And then I tightened back, and I just went back and forth and back and forth. And instead of just manhandling it with massive force, I'm just kind of popping it. And we got movement. These things are tight as fuck. The thing is, this is separating and pushing. Should I do those next? I think I'm definitely gonna have to cut these off, or cut that one off, because that one's messed up. Bow show. All right, I'm gonna go on these, hit these one more time. Hitting about 15, 20 times by now, probably. Get both of them again. Use the same technique that I just used on that one. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Oh. I can feel it moving. I don't see it moving. What the hell was that noise? Okay, that one's moving pretty good. I'm gonna get the other one. This is a much more inconvenient angle, but actually it's not. I can just sit down here and pull on it. Oh shit. My body weight. Let's go. I got all 4 out. Oh, not 4. Oh, dude, I wish. I got all 3 out. This guy. Still a problem, obviously, but now I'm pretty sure I can just delete all of this, because the only thing holding it on now is these rubber guys. I'm pretty sure. Know how to do that? I don't know. Let's find out. I'm now at a point where I'm taking these bitches off. And you just kind of get really pissed for a second. Oh shit, and they come off. Oh, how many more I got? It's holding on to how many places right now? 1. Did I not get that one? Wait, I got that one. 1, 2, 3, plus the rear. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna take this one off. The muffler's pretty much just gonna fall right on me. It doesn't look that heavy. So I'm just gonna take this bitch off. Okay, that's sketchy. This one's already off. The only thing holding it up right now is this guy and the one in the back. So if I take this, oh, come on. Oh, okay. It's free. Hell yeah. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Okay. Oh, glad that wasn't my face. As we can see, the exhaust is now on the ground over here, but still got this shit to take care of. This is gonna be sketchy, I feel like. It's gonna be sketchy as hell. But I'm gonna take this, put that right there. Safety first, everybody. Grinder's going that way. It's actually going a little bit like that, huh?
Oh man. It's going right on the fucking fuel tank. I don't like that. It's over here. What if I go this way? Try not to be. Oh, fucking idiot. Jesus. Okay, so I'll just drill through that bitch. Call it a day. Alright, I got some smaller drill bits. See if this helps. Alright, things are happening. New one's about to go on. I should have done this a long time ago. I'm gonna put the old bolts down in here. Spray the shit out of them on these guys. Just let them soak. Okay, that's very good. Nika, Chica, come on, girl. Alright, so we're reusing these, obviously. So I should have taken them off the other thing, not that one. So, oh man, try not to drop this on my face. Oh. Like it should, man. Oh hell yeah, let's go. Oh, you might be wondering how I ended up in this situation. Because I'm an idiot. Okay, that thing's being, oh, there we go. That felt good. Alright, I'm pretty sure that's in far enough, so I'm going to tighten these down. Oh, shit. There you go. Am I done? Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that looks badass. That looks cool. Hell yeah. That's on good. Let me double check these. Alright, Nika is crushing it. It hasn't even been 3 weeks. It's been like 2 weeks and, what, 3 days? And she's crushing it. We're already on the skateboard. She was terrible on the leash when I first got her. Obviously, no one ever taught her how to walk on a leash. She's like, what, somewhere between a year and a half. No idea where she came from. We got her from the Utah State Humane Society, but she was a transfer, whatever that means. So they don't even know exactly where she came from. So no idea if she was just a stray or someone gave her up or whatever, but obviously never gave her much attention and pretty much zero training. First got her, she had terrible leash manners, pulled like crazy, and now she just walks by my side, and in this case she skates by my side, because we know I'm not going to run, and just walking isn't enough for a big dog like this. I don't know if you can tell, but you can still see her ribs, but not nearly as bad as when we first got her. She's starting to eat and putting on some weight, getting her energy back. Unfortunately for me, but cool for her leash manners, is I'm pretty sure I've inadvertently trained her only go to the bathroom in one of two places, and neither of those places are at home. But I guess the most important thing is it's not in the home. But that means we gotta come all the way down here to her favorite pee place for whatever reason, she doesn't poop here. She only pees here. But it's right here. I don't blame her. It's kind of pretty. Make our first stop. And are we gonna get a pee? Yes, we are. Of course we are. Her favorite place to pee. But like I said, can you blame her? Pretty over here. And I'm not sure how, but she hasn't noticed the cows yet. All right, so back to truck stuff. Now that we're done and it's daylight, I can show you what's going on here. So this looks amazing. Fit in perfectly. Shout out to SPD for making it super easy. Except this part right here. This is where I snapped the bolt, and this is my doing. Otherwise, it should look like that. Luckily, I only snapped one, and I learned from my mistakes, but there you go.